That moment when your paper reaches its final words and the unthinkable happens. It happens when you least expect it, leaving you astray and alone.
I didn't know what to do. I was scared. But at my .7mm #2 pencil.
Well, hello there. The average American uses about 13 megapixels of force when writing with a pencil. That's about 70% chance that you're gonna break your pencil 50% of the time. But what if I told you there's an answer to your problem?
Oh!
That's right, folks. Because Ninja Corporation Association of America loves you so much, they have invented the automatic mechanical pencil pusher. So next time the unthinkable happens, AMPP will be there to fix your problem. Just listen to what our customers have to say.
I broke my lead every day before AMPP came to be. I just was helping out my grandchild and he broke his leg. And I'm just so grateful. I just embarrassed him by pencil embarrassed him and it's so embarrassed the bottle. I wouldn't be able to pass my SAT test if I didn't have my pencil in. He came and did it.
If you or a family member are ready to say no to pencil breaking, then please visit our website at www.ninjasarehereforyou.com.
Now I'm the most popular kid in school.